Having moments of silence in your yoga practice are so powerful and so needed. Today's practice, it's a minimal cues, meaning I'm only going to be saying what is necessary so that I can hold the space for your inner journey. We're going to move the body. It's going to feel really good. It's going to be a flow and a stretch. I still like to practice with music, even in minimal cues, that it also draws me a little bit more into the movement and the sensation, but I'm going to leave it up to you. If you'd rather practice in full silence, go for it. But if you're practicing with music, let's hit play together on the link that you're going to find below on the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, and play. We'll begin this practice in a kneeling position. Resting your hands on top of your thighs. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And a full breath out. Two more times like this on your own. Gently circling your neck. Reverse. Pausing in the center. Circle your arms to the sides and all the way up. Connect your palms in front of your heart center and setting your intention for this practice. Come into hands and knees. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. 3 more on your own. One. Two. And 3. Neutral spine, reach the right arm up towards the sky. Open and hold here. Inhale, lift up a little bit higher. And thread your arm to the left, coming all the way down and pausing here for 3 breaths. Back into hands and knees. Lift your left arm up to the sky. And thread to the right. 3 breaths. Hands and knees. Downward facing dog. Hold stillness in down dog 3 breaths. Lift your right leg up towards the sky. Open the hip, bend the knee. Draw 3 circles with your right knee, right hip. Stretch your right leg back on the inhale. Step your right foot forward between your hands, runner's lunge. Release your left knee down to the mat, Anjayanasana, inhale. Exhale. Reach a little bit higher into a floating half split. Place your left hand down, reach the right arm up to the sky in a twist. 3 breaths. Come into a runner's lunge, inhale. Step your left foot forward to meet the right, forward fold, exhale. Rise up into a high mountain. And connect the palms into heart center, exhale. On the inhale, push your arms to the sides. Exhale back in. Push your arms up forward. And back into heart center. Regulating breath. Rise up into a high mountain. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift. Step back to plank. Exhale, lower to your belly. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down. 2 more. Downward facing dog. Lift your left leg up, open the hip, bend the knee. 3 circles. Stretch your left leg back. Step it forward between your hands, right knee down, Anjayanasana. Reach a little bit higher. Floating half split, 3 breaths. Right hand down, left arm reaches up into a twist, 3 breaths. Runner's lunge, inhale. Step the right foot forward between your hands and fold. Rise up high mountain. Palms together in front of your heart, exhale. Inhale, push your arms to the sides, slightly look up and back into heart center. Push your arms forward, inhale. And back in, exhale. Rise up high mountain. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift. Step back to plank. Lower down to your belly. Cobra, 2 times. Downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up, inhale, open the hip, bend the knee. 2 circles. Stretch the right leg back. Step the right foot forward between your hands, left knee down, Anjayanasana. Floating half split, 2 breaths. Left hand down, right arm reaches up, 2 breaths. This time come into a crescent. Palms together in front of your heart. Push your arms to the sides. Open the chest. Exhale back in. Arms forward, inhale. Bring it back in, exhale. Step back to plank, inhale. Lower down to your belly. 1 cobra. Downward facing dog. Lift up your left leg. Open the hip, bend the knee. 2 circles. Stretch your left leg back. Step your left foot forward between your hands. Anjayanasana. 2 breaths. Floating half split. 2 breaths. Right hand down, left arm reaches up. Twisting, 2 breaths. Into a crescent. Palms together in front of your heart. Push your arms to the sides. Open the heart. Bring it back in. Push it forward. Back in. Inhale, hands down. Step back to plank. Vinyasa, whichever variation you like to take. Right leg lifts, inhale. Right foot forward, left knee down, Anjayanasana, inhale. Floating half split, exhale. Left hand down, right arm reaches up into a twist. Into a crescent. Palms together in front of your heart. Push your arms to the sides. Back in. Forward. Back in. Rise up, arms reach up. Open warrior 2. Reverse the warrior. Extended side angle. Left hand down, right arm reaches up into a twist. Press onto your left palm, come into a side plank, stacking the right leg on top of the left. Hover the right leg, bend the knee, come into wild thing. Release your hips all the way down so you're looking at the back of the mat. Bring yourself back on the mat. Cross the right leg on top of the left. Reach both arms up to the sky and fold over your legs. Lift up your upper body. Bend the knees, roll forward into a plank. So we're facing the back of the mat. Vinyasa. Lift your left leg up. Step it between your hands, Anjayanasana. Floating half split. Right hand down, left arm reaches up into a twist. Into a crescent. Palms together in front of your heart. Push the arms to the sides, open the heart. Back in. Push the arms forward. Exhale. Reach the arms up to the sky. Open warrior two. Reverse the warrior. Extended side angle. Looking down, right hand to the mat, right heel up, left arm reaches up into a twist. Press into your right palm, side plank, stacking the left leg on top of right. Hover the left leg, bend the knee, wild thing. And come to sit, facing the original front. Cross the left leg on top of the right. Reach both arms up to the sky and fold over your legs. Enjoying this stretch. And roll yourself back up. Bend the knees, feet about the distance of your yoga mat, hands back. Release both knees to the right side, mobilizing the hips to the left. One more on each side. Lift up your knees, come into a plank. Vinyasa. Lift your right leg up. Right foot between your hands, Anjayanasana. Floating half split. Left hand down, right arm reaches up. Into crescent. Palms together in front of your heart. Push the arms to the sides, open the heart. Back in. Arms forward, as if you were in a plank in the upper body. And then back in. Reach the arms up. Open warrior two. Reverse. Extended side angle. Left hand down, right arm reaches up into a twist. Side plank on your left arm. Wild thing. And come to sit facing the back. This time for Janu Shirshasana. Right knee opens to the side. Reach both arms up to the sky. And fold. Roll your spine back up straight. Transition into a plank. Vinyasa. Lift your left leg up. Left foot forward, right knee down. Anjaneyasana. Floating half split. Right hand down, left arm reaches up. Into crescent. Palms together in front of your heart. Push the arms away to the sides. Back in. Arms forward. Exhale in. Reach the arms up. Maybe go lower on the legs. Open warrior two. Reverse the warrior. Extended side angle. Right hand down, left arm reaches up into a twist. Side plank on your right arm. Wild thing. And release the hips down. Draw yourself back on the mat. Setting up for Janu. Shirshasana, left knee open to the side. Reach the arms up and fold. Roll yourself back up. Come and sit in a cross-legged position. Interlace your hands behind you. Make a fist. Draw the knuckles down to the earth. Open across the heart. We hold here 3 breaths. Okay, keeping the legs as they are, I'm just going to change the opposite foot. You're going to roll forward with the arms as they are. Forehead down, and we hold 3 breaths. Come back up. Come into a downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up towards the sky. Step the right foot outside of your right hand. Bring the left knee down. With the option to bring your forearms on the mat, or if you have yoga blocks, on the blocks, which actually I am going to do that. Come back onto your palms. You can optionally keep the blocks there if you have them. I'm going to actually use the highest block for this. You're going to reach the right arm back, lift up the left foot, and grab the foot behind you, finding a deep stretch here. Gently release. Move the block aside if you use them. Walk your right foot to the left, setting up for pigeon. When you're ready, recline. Roll your spine back up straight. Drop your right hip. Bring your left leg forward. Keep the left knee bent. Hug your left chin. Lift up the foot. Grab your left foot with the right hand. Extend the left leg forward. Lengthen the spine and twist over to the left. Look forward, grab your left foot also with the left arm. Inhale, lift the left leg higher, bend the elbows to the sides and fold over your left leg. Release, come into a downward facing dog. Let's hold 3 breaths in down dog. Lift your left leg up. Step your left foot outside of your left hand. Right knee down and setting up for lizard on this side. Blocks or no blocks. Come up. So with the option to lift up the block higher, I'm not that flexible, so I need some support, some assistance here. Reach the left arm back, bend the right knee and grab your foot. It's more that I'm tight. Gently release. Move the blocks to the sides. And come into pigeon. Recline. Roll yourself back up. Drop your left hip, bring your right leg forward, keep the knee bent. Hug the shin, bring the foot lifted. Grab the right foot with the left hand extended forward and twist to the right. Bring the right arm over the left. Lift up the right leg higher, bend the elbows and fold over your leg. Beautiful. Release the foot. Bend the knees, bring yourself to the top of the mat. Reach the arms forward. And roll yourself up onto your back. Hug your knees. Happy baby. With the option to extend your legs. Hug your knees back in. Lift up your head and your shoulder blades. Curl up. And release Shavasana. Please stay here for as long as you need, and when the time is right for you to transition, make sure you take a few moments to make a mindful bridge from your practice into your day. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and please write in the comments below and see how it felt. Were you able to stay focused with me saying less things? Were you able to connect a little bit deeper? Have a beautiful, beautiful rest of your day. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and if you like something like this, make sure to check out my membership. You can find the link below. I organize it in a very particular way so that your practice is regulating and empowering. There's yoga rooms. There's the chill room, for example. This one is part of the chill room. There's a melt room where we do a lot of yin and staying on the floor. There's an energizing where we have power vinyasa, animal flow is a lot more dynamic. And then there's the spicy room where we work with weights and yoga sculpt. So it's a 360-degree approach to the practice. So check it out, and hope I can see you here on YouTube or over there on my Black Shape Yoga membership.